In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So I hope you guys are doing so well. It's been a while. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make my daughters all back. It's a weekly hairstyle called, they usually call, or I don't know how to put it, they give them hairstyles to make from the school. So this week they asked to make an all back. So instead of me just making a straight all back, I decided to make it a stylish one. So if you really like it, you can actually try it on your girl child as well. It's a beautiful hairstyle. And yeah, this hairstyle is made on a relaxed hair. Our hair is no longer natural. I had to relax the hair because of the stress I was getting with the hair. But the the texture is not as relaxed as it's supposed to. Like it's not relaxed. Nigeria will call it will blow the hair with relaxer. Yes, that's what I did. So if you're learning on how to braid hair, or how do I put it, if you're learning how to cornrow hair, you can actually watch this video. It's for you as well. So at least at the end of the video you learn how to style an all back, or you learn how to part hairs as well. So this is the video is very it's a good one for beginners. Yeah, so enjoy. Bye.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. Step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Let's see your heart break on. Now she's so strong. Now she on a